Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to set up Foxtel iQ4 box for the first time. Complete installation and activation guide. Step 1. Unbox your equipment. Remove the Foxtel iQ4 box and accessories from the package. Check that the remote batteries, HDMI cable and power adapter are included. Step 2. Connect the iQ4 box. Connect the HDMI cable from the iQ4 box to your TV. Connect any required Foxtel cables to the wall outlet. Plug the power adapter into the iQ4 box and a power outlet. Step 3. Set up the remote. Insert the batteries into the remote control. Point the remote at the iQ4 box. Complete any pairing steps shown on the screen. Step 4. Power on and follow the setup prompts. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Power on the iQ4 box. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. Step 5. Connect to the internet. Choose Wi-Fi or Ethernet when prompted. For Wi-Fi, select your network and enter the password. Wait for the connection to be confirmed. Step 6. Finalize the setup. Allow the IQ4 box to install updates if available. Complete the activation process. Test live TV channels and on-demand services to ensure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.